Hello everyone, Andy here, and I'm going to tell you how to disable Turbo Boost in your Intel system. So the first question is, why do you want to disable the Turbo Boost? If you're like me, a poor student, and you can only get laptop this level, you know some shit. This laptop have problem everywhere. So for example, the power supply, it's pretty shit. Basically, after you turn on the turbo boost, any fucking time it will run over the power limit and then throttle to an unbelievable speed, 0.40 gigahertz, which is I think about 400 megahertz. So yeah, anyway, I really want to disable the turbo boost for a more stable and flat performance. So it won't get throttled, but it's not very high. I mean, like this CPU, I'll just quickly show you. In this computer, T590, and it says i5 CPU 8265, so it's 8 Gen i5, and at a base clock of 1.8 gigahertz, which is pretty slow. But after you turn on the turbo boost, this is currently turning off, so it will be really fucked up. Basically, after you turn on the turbo boost, it's just constantly throttle, power limit throttle if you checked into the XTU. Anyway, just frustrating. Every time for example, I play a game or I run into something or doing work actually, and it just automatically throttled to 0.4. My, my class software don't even run smoothly. So yeah, note that some laptops can disable Turbo Boost natively from their BIOS or UEFI, but T590, which is the laptop I'm using right now, cannot turn Turbo Boost off natively in the BIOS. So I have another software way to done that. I learned the way from internet a few days ago, and I'm gonna share it to you probably. So I'm using Windows 11, but Windows 10 is also supported. So what you're gonna do basically is right click this Windows icon, taskbar Windows icon. If it's Windows 10, it will be gonna be left. The Windows 11, it could be left and it could be centered. Anyway, right click the Windows icon and then click on the run button. There's a buttons, choices, menus, and click on run. Okay, left click it. There'll be a little prompt popped up, and what you're gonna do is, type in control, and then you click yes, obviously, and then so for some people, it will go into this categorized menu, which is, to be fair, that it works like shit. It's not intuitive. It's misunderstanding. It's fucking things up. Anyway, what you need to do is in the right up corner, view type. I have no idea what it translated to English. This is currently Chinese for my daily use. Anyway, in in this area of the window of the prompt of the control panel, there's a category, and you click on it and choose large icon or big icon. I can't remember correctly, and then choose this battery. Yeah, this one. Just recognize the icon. Okay, recognize the icon. It says this power options. I don't know. Anyway, click into it, and then most of the time it your power plant's on balance. So whatever power plant you're using, you can modify it, right? You can modify it by left clicking this change power plant setting, I think. And we click on the blue text blue text on the right of the power plant name and descriptions. Anyway, click it, and then you click on modify advanced power option. I don't know, just there will be a blue text displayed on here, in here, or anyway, click it, and then okay, there's many options. Find CPU power management or core processing unit or something like that, click this plus icon, click it, left click it, and you want to set the largest CPU utilization or idle, or basically tells the percentage you are using the CPU. So click this largest CPU thing, and then there's two choices: while you're using battery and while you're plugged in. Set both of them to 99% so that in your daily use it won't trigger the turbo boost thing. The turbo boost will only be activated if you set the thing, or not you set a thing, but you use your CPU to 100%, and then it will unlock the above. So for me, this 8265U, the base clock is 1.8, and if I set it to 99, it will run at 1.8. But if you set it to 100, it will turbo boost to about 3.6 gigahertz. Pretty good, but unstable, at least in my laptop. So anyway, put them all to 99%, and then hit OK or enter. And then you want to save your modification. Just there's a save, and then click save. Currently, I didn't do any modifications, so I press cancel. But if you successfully modified your power plant, you should click save. Anyway, sometimes you need a reboot, but anyway, at last you found out that your CPU utilization will always be 99%, and your CPU clock will be locked to your base clock. So yeah, that's how you disable turbo boost, basically. So that's the end of this video. Leave a like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you guys in the next video. Bye.